Hello and welcome to our new series. In this video we are going to study about Python data analysis. First of all, what is data analysis means knowing the average use of data, means how they are used by selling or any views, any traffic, anything in website or any business, anything. That is that data analysis. Why we have to study data analysis? Because data analysis is a trending job in new city. Do you know average US pay for is I think 100k US dollar. This is the yearly income of data analysis. This is the minimum starting salary of the data analysis. If you got that, if you know about the data analysis, so data analysis is very important field of learning. So this is demanding nowadays and nobody are going in the data analysis field, so we have to learn data analysis. Then why we have to wait about the data analysis? Let's go for data analysis. We are going to use Pandas for this data analysis. First of all, we have to install Pandas in our shell. So we have to go to your Python folder, Python 3.6. we are using Python 3.6 and go to script. And just type cmd instead of this and it will run command here in pip install Pandas. It will install Pandas. It will take some time and gather. I have already installed, so you may take some time here. Yes, this is saying me I have already installed, and it will take a couple of minutes for you according to your internet speed. This is not a very large importing. Let's go and run. First of all, we will study in Python shell and we will learn some basic of Pandas in this shell. Then we will go to the file and we will make the file. First of all, we have to import Pandas. I will import Pandas. Let's check it if it's import or not. It should import us because I have already installed that. And if you have not installed, please install that. I have told you as before. Let's see if it is importing us. It has import us. Now I will import this as, let's take same. Now first of all, we have to know about series. Series means what types of series means you are going to, if you have a business of selling, you know, in this day of 30 days, for in the first of the month, second of the month, third of the month, this much sale has been done, and this is the series in the first day, second day, third day and fourth day. That is the series. You can make that. Now first of all, the creating the series, we can say that I will make this series. This is a variable, not actual series, and I am assigning series in this variable. We have to make pandas dot series and we can make this. First of all, we will make of only one. Let's make this of 1. I will make of a. Let's enter this. If I make the series, if I run this series here, what I will get here? Let's take. It is giving me an index and this value of this series. Means how you are working. Means in the weekdays there are 7 days. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is our weekdays, and this is the learning process. And in weekdays, how many sale we have done, how many we have sold, how many product we have sold, we can calculate that. This is the method of making business easier and fruitful. Now I will show to make, as we can make this series. I will make series 2, s2 is equal to pandas dot, we have to pass series here to create a series. First of all, we are creating a series, so that series is very important in learning process, and series should be implemented very nicely so that every aspect of this data analysis could be made. And we are getting this here index and this value. Here we are getting data type is object, and here we are getting integer, because a is taken as a variable, and variable as is taken a other than the numeric and the float point, it will take as the object, means abcd will be object and 1 2 3 4 will be integer. Now we want to create a list of this series. List of series is like this. What we have to create a list, we are creating here a static list, not a dynamic list. We are giving memory space before we are executing that file. Let's create a series. I will make this series as above. Series is equal to pandas dot series, and I will pass the bunch of values here. I will pass 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's enter this and print series. If you are working with file rather than cell, you should type here print series, so you will get these values. This is the series, and we can make this series of any character or any string, float, anything, so we can make. That is the very good point in the Python. So Python give us boon for us. Python is boon for us. It is giving us strong ability. We can change any variable to the specific data type. In runtime, you can change to Python variable to integer to, you can change into string, character or float. It does not matter what you have initialized before. Let's make, yes, here indexing is not what the default the processing giving. We can change this indices as our types. Suppose I have a sale of the week, and I have to start from Sunday to Saturday. Then I have to start this pandas dot series, and first of all I have to make, suppose I have sold 100 120 125 85 95 75 2 4 6, and another is, suppose I have at the last Saturday is I have make a large cell. Now we have to pass here, this is the values, and we can pass the indices of these values here. First we have to pass their index and is equal to, we have to pass respective index of this. Like if you are indexing with integer, you need not to pass the quotation or inverted marks, but if you are working with string character, then you have to pass this. I will make this as a Sunday, and this is Monday. Sorry, Tuesday. We are taking only 3 letters, so I am confusing here. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and lastly Saturday. This is the series, and let's print it. As we are gated by these indices. Now there are various methods to find the index of this, and first of all we are going to learn about how we can initialize this series first in different method. This is without indices, this is by indices. We can pass indices by various method. This is a list method. We can pass this by, this is we can append this list. There are two lists and we are printing with respective indexes. This is inbuilt library that will compare this series and number of series elements that are present in this list and this list, and compare this first element with first, second with second, and third with third. This will help us to make this. This is inbuilt, we need not to compare this. Now there is another method. Suppose I have cell like this, cells is equal to pandas dot series, and if you have, this is not the like, we are going to make dictionary here. We can make this dictionary like this. Sunday I have, suppose same, I will take same 100, and Monday I will take 120, and on Tuesday I will take 125, and this is not actual value we are taking, because there may be in simple number also we are taking out the multiple of 5 here, and Tuesday, Wednesday, and there is 85, Thursday there is 95, on Friday there is 75, and lastly it's Saturday, and this is 150. This is another types of making the series of the data, and we can pass by the indexes as a dictionary. This is the indices and this is the value, as we know in the dictionary. Let's say cells, and it is giving us that answer. This is a dictionary and this is to list. This is how we can create a series in the pandas, and in next video we will learn about how we can get value in different ways we can. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed, and like, share with your friends so that they would get the chance to learn this and get forwarded in every point. Thank you. We will take delicious videos daily. Thank you for watching this video.